And you know, they are selling the party to NDC. Owusu Bempah is strongly in line with Mama.
Yeah.
And you know, they want the weaker candidate for us. And you know, Monfa nya onye sellable. Onye weaker. Owusu Bempah mo shankomna yemfa kede de pombra. NDC players no. Na mo so my mistake na makoto akofa ho a. Na they say Owusu Bempah ba. Kede de pon nsan so wo fi. What do you say? Oh, me catch now. Who the one who can be a fabric repair or the conditional prophecies best start aba. And as the channel there, if I say where the make say obey presidential parliamentary or presidential candidate. But for the win in there, who goes obey baba. The conditions there.
And also conditions and
all things because at time now I say only be fee or that's also. Minya, the point is not serious. If he allowed these men of God. If he goes to the contest believing that these men of God are speaking the mind of God, the delegate will punish it. Because Owusu Bempah will be a NPP for delegates, some buffalo. Because Okaobi any opposition. And you must trust that Obi ano what come so man sem kase obegu NPP party. Now by the question we say nipa and somebody back. Na mo go to na and then say mama Owusu Bempah be determine instead of the kind no I determine who become president.
Yes.
Mama that in fail mo say enye hu na to aba hu na mo na to aba adwin na no the pesika wo candidates no no ba omia unnim na the one see the common Owusu Bempah me campaign against you mo mo na kapre ofa onko kere report ho no ko jiska onko mama mo ko jiska ba omia should stay put
abusia fanya me share bibia. Question is say, then I say NDC for no person almost choose candidate my NPP for. Then I say NDC for I say my madani NPP near if you muka NPP for us. I don't think I'm to mean dimu fiasem. Na candidate I the ban if I'm bang. You see about Danny NPP 4x4 smoke kasama honorable Kennedy Japan. And then Nanko for we who are you. And to say we are delegates or someone join ye. Because actually I said these people are looking for weaker or be away weak. Almost send a bear almost many akun. Bear it in mind say Tisiano NDC the new face ever. Yeah, Baumiano. Yeah, Tom Nedda. I was here. And it was saying Jesus winning now because we can't lose this 2028 election. What you say? Yet to me now I say NDC for and deciding my and necessary NDC for the company ma Canadian Japan NDC communicators almost suggest platformer. This agenda need to say because supporting Canadian Japan say the ya Canadian Japan back they can have to so fast winning 2028 and see pusia my ninda pa my ninda ho say NPP for am fire man fam munansi for back the 2024 the best to move and say was so bibia and Jesus has a winning na mufa enye juma.
I believe about me and I trust God say with the bar it will be easier for NPP. Some of us in your campaign we just sit down and watch Mama and NDC feeling while they are giving handover power to Baumia on a silver platter. Baumia need not to go to all the constituency. We need here. What they say, no. Why campaign they all can no wakewi. You know, a bit easier. And the first year no ejuma say no. A bit united the party after January no. Na obi bia why hate bia yon call nche company to me ba. What they the Ghanaians the to me ba. Everybody should come on board. What they say so last Mr. Party leadership, the Munda is amnesty now, more the conditions. I mean, amnesty conditions count. And we put letter on the patrol, on the coto, side of Munda. What did it be to be a patron? But whereby conditions say, so letter back.
And I will say, there may be under minimum yard or say, the party now suspended you. What did the one at all? No, the party in your bonnet, now one with Jaiko. You and I will back the actual Abra. Sanity.
It's a two. I'm not
understanding. It's the party about party now. One more. You don't go through this very committee. That party decision. Almost just be straight. But one can start to say Alan Chamati.
Oh, Alan the Peno. Before God, man, when you mean somebody move to be an Alan. Move to be between Alan. I'm telling you.
But you end on this. You will say
yes. Also, problem minimum no. I'm body you. Many need some money. Mamika. Me see me need this money. Or you small boy, be in penny. Or you chiba.
Okay.
What do I say? And a minimum no plaza. Mampobi.
Plaza.
Homono. And a minimum was when pa. Because no. Or your podcast strategist.
Yes.
But or the religion no.
Any contest and go for test or cast on ladies and one is on Nakoya.
Oh, because it's money.
That's a crime.
But that be a crime.
That's person.
Yabo. Aha. You know, I could be bigger. What you say? Nirina. Ojano.
Third one.
Justin.
Okay.
Okonkron near Nadi. I'm student.
Sound.
Michelle Nadia.
Okay.
The Central University, the law, computer and business law.
I see.
I've taught for more than 20 years.
Oh, the same year.
You. And you know, me tell you that I'm divorce no kwano. Nyame a course in no ba no obe catch them. That time be a lawyer into now or help.
Yeah.
And I know Owusu Bempah in and out alone. And you know mean himself Owusu Bempah is smart.
Yeah.
You see, Kennedy be winning waje. Na ba me also akumetu. Ba me anko ba me ko Owusu also Fabra. No waje. Mama. Muso ababa oh yes me feeling no munja no nyere djuma because we say they say sorry no sikara ba form the way modi chema utumi kwa mfa so no e de no me ba o man nu o de be tia
yo
chema utumi in all sincerity has never engaged in galamsey or ye minor
yes
on all lances or be proven in court and he has been doing responsible mining edu tembi na wa accuse no ojaye we jaye no yet we know such a person no wo ba be na now crowd for us to speak right now they are in there mining.
Yes.
Now you're a judge. Now you see if you're a judge can you say under article 125 no you are dispensing judgment on our behalf. Essentially, the constitution under the provision say every judge must have in mind the hope and aspiration of the ordinary Ghanaians.
Yes.
A judge should be social media active.
They are.
Who read it? And who say that the Obiaba say galam say now who judge who say abana everybody say no yeah cannot help. No but who go neto so na say me am dealing with Montia e di no me be bounce so ba mind so
awiabo so a wo yenhyira ensuo tobowa wo yenhyira ana se fu mu pie so a wutumi de ye niema e ma ne ye dey eyeye ye wura kana Japan na advantage no kwakwa akoyi one meboa.
That's right.
Hwade bi the date of birth is 16th June 1960. You have a penny life path.
Your penny number no.
Na life path.
Life path number. 1 plus 6.
1 plus 6 7.
My 7.
7 plus 6 13.
13.
Now you say abenya 4.
4.
1960 1 plus 9 you say.
Abenya 10.
Plus 6.
Abenya 16.
Now you say what's abenya 7. 7 plus 4.
Abenya 11.
It's in life path number you say.
2. The current number is 2.
The life path
partner.
Path number
no.
2. That is why I do 70 at the end of the no.
Okay.
Because omuhu nipa moboni at the end.
Right.
Why you want? The life path number so you say
2.
2.
Hey.
Ukabo say
2. Ukabo 3.
Oh 3 we and match them wa. Dr. Baumia say
Dr. Baumia 3.
Why you 3? Is equal to the date of birth 7th October
10
1963.
63.
7 plus
10.
We're 17.
17, yeah.
It will be 8 meboa.
Yeah.
1963 I say. Eh 1.
Yeah.
Yen come move. Obi anka se ma 1 plus 9
About 10.
plus 6
16.
plus 9 19. 8 plus 3 19. 1 plus 9 I say
10.
10. We two benya say 1. What about can 8 ni why I say
9.
It was actually life path number. Life path number no. I say
9.
9 plus what you say?
3.
9 plus 3 I say. Yeah 12.
About 12.
Which is number say?
3.
Inconclusive.
It's about we also crack 3. Franco Bete, Jesus Christ.
Me not going home. And to me to me must
Regarding numbers on you know, Obi and Dream was so.
Oh man, I must say.
Halalalala.
And you're inconclusive. Yeah, 16 June 1960. You can't even have more 2. What coin you want?
Oh, the 2 back 1 when you're
3. Yeah, 7th October 1963. O life path you 9. Okay, 3. Okay, 12. Which is another what? 3.
3.
It one I win.
I'm going to 3.
Me back 3 to so the
Okay.
To a man, you